Well, hey everybody. It's the Sunday after Christmas. Christmas was this past Friday, and I'm back at it in the Gearhead garage on my next project. And this is the leaky rear seal on the hubs, four-wheel drive hubs on my John Deere 1986, not an 85. I just checked the serial numbers. It's an 86. And I got a bad seal right here, and I think that's really the only bad seal. The gears and everything are okay. I'm going to take it apart. I'll walk you around here and show you what I've done. You can see I've taken the top off here, steering arm, top hub, the shaft that comes out, the gear, big gear box, which is in front here. And I'm dismantling that now. Everything looks good in here with these gears. Checking all the exposed gears and checking to make sure they're in good shape, and they are. All the teeth are fine. No hang-ups there. My hub, my needle, I have a needle, I'll pull this out of here, a needle bearing right here. You can see it as I turn. Let me put that in there. A needle bearing, everything's okay there, nice and smooth. So that's all right. Housing's okay. I got my book here, a manual that's helping me. I'm measuring my seals and my bushings for wear. I think the top bushing, I'll show you over here. The top bushing, the steering arm sits on this plate right here, and this shaft is, I'm sure it's okay because the brass bushing will wear long before that shaft protrusion will. And over here, let me turn this light off. I've got my workbench. I've got the shaft, which fits inside that where I just had the needle bearing, showing you the needle bearing. That fits in there. This bearing here is nice and smooth. Everything turns fine. This bearing here is turning nicely. I cleaned it out. It was a little stiff, a little dirty. That fits in here, actually, like so. It fits in here like so. And it's really what my main goal is getting after this black seal in here. And this seal cover, it's pretty rusted. I can feel it with my hand. You can see it's pretty rough shape in there. And that's where all the leaking is taking place. It's leaking down here. You can kind of see the trace. That's what I'm after. So I don't want to take this ring gear out. I turned it around, turned the housing all around to make sure that my gear is good. It is. And I think I can tap that seal out and put a new one in without having to remove the ring gear. And if I do, then this housing will have to come off. There's 8 bolts on the front side and 2 jack bolts that go against here. Push the housing cover off and exposes all the ring gear and everything. It's no big deal, but if I can do it without having to take that off, I think I'd just as soon do that. You know, I think that's all fine inside there. I don't have any leaks coming from that area. So that's what I'll do. I'll show you as I put it together on the second one, but I wanted to show you a part and what it is that I'm actually working on fixing here. So primarily, the retaining seal ring here, the seal inside, main goal, I'll replace This is the steering arm. Fits on here, like so. This steering arm, you can see how it has indentations there, which are not worn off, which is a good sign. You can see them in there. But it is just, you know, like 25 thousandths or so smaller when I do the mic on it. I did the mic on it, and probably could get away with not changing it. I mean, there's just a hair of movement in it, just a hair. But I figured, hey, as long as I got it off, I might as well, you know, replace the bushing, the brass bushing, and then the seal that's on top of it that fits right here. Either one they're not difficult to do. Might as well do them. The parts are probably, I don't know, 15 bucks combined, 30 bucks for both wheels. It's not horrible. So that's the plan, and that's where we're headed. I'll get back to you. Bye.